Hi there, my name is Tanya and today I'm going to tell you about Khanka Natural Reserve, also Khankaisky. It is situated in the Russian Far East, in the region called Primorsky Krai, Spassk-Dalny. The video was taken near the lake Khanka. In this video, taken from a quadrocopter, you can see the Japanese crane, heron, ducks, raccoon, muskrat. There are many ducks in one of the channels. Let's fly closer to them. Now you can see the road that connects the Spassk-Dalny and the lake Khanka. There are a lot of dead trees, and on the right in the channel you can see grey heron. This heron is extremely careful and it immediately flies away if it notes a person. Their diet includes a wide variety of aquatic animals, including fish, reptiles, and rodents. Now you can see the Japanese crane, the rarest cranes in the world. The breeding range centers in Lake Khanka. The resident population is found in eastern Japan. Their population is about 2,000 individuals. Also, in one of the channels we met a muskrat. It's like a rat. Muskrats spend most of their time in the water and they live in families. They build nests that are often burrowed into the bank with an underwater entrance. And at the end of our trip we met a raccoon. We was very surprised because it is nocturnal, but sometimes you can see it during the day. It wasn't aggressive and we could take some photos. That's all for today. Thanks for your watching. See you soon. Bye.